In this video I am going to show you how can you hide your subscriber count. As you can see, mine also is not visible because I have hide it. Also, this trick is very helpful for the small creators or beginners, as the channel are still growing. Now, to hide your subscriber count, you have to go to your YouTube studio and go to the settings section, and here you will see many options. You have to go to the channel option or channel option and and after that click on the advanced setting. Now if you scroll down, you can see many options, and one of them will be a subscriber count option. Right now I have unchecked this box because I don't want anyone to see my subscriber count. But if you check this, everyone will able to see the subscriber count of my channel. But if you uncheck, no one will able to see this. So you have to uncheck this option because by default it always checked by the YouTube. And after, when you uncheck this, click on the save button to save your changes, and now the work is done. So this is how you can hide your subscriber count of your channel. And if this video was helpful to you, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, and also don't forget to comment.